Today we are going to show you how to choose wire ropes for your cable railing projects. Nowadays, cable railing is becoming more and more popular for modern deck railings because of its neat and elegant appearance. Moreover, they are durable and could whoa. The first thing you need to know is material. 304 stainless steel is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. 316 stainless steel has superior anti-corrosion property and outstanding resistance to chloride. Vinyl coated 304 stainless steel wire rope has a vinyl coat to protect the cable from corrosion and abrasion. Galvanized steel wire rope has a much brighter appearance and lower price than stainless steel cable. Blackened 316 stainless steel wire rope has a dark and elegant appearance. Only fit indoor use. We would like to show you how to choose cable sizes. 1/8 inch cable is the most popular and the smallest size cable that meets building codes in the US. We also provide wire rope in 5/32 and 3/16 inch to meet your special needs if you like thick cables. Then you should choose cable railing terminals according to your cable size. 1/8 inch cable requires 1/8 cable railing kits. For vinyl coated wire ropes, the terminal depends on the inner diameter, which means the coat doesn't count. Next, we will show you how to use the wire rope. We provide cables on reel and roll. Cables on reel can prevent the cable from dispersing, but roll cables are more economic. We provide a broad choice of wire ropes tailored to your personalized needs. So, why choose Muzata? We provide one-stop solutions to help you design the project and calculate all the materials you need with a budget. All you have to do is placing an order on our website according to the list. Other products you might need. We also provide stainless steel posts in different sizes and styles. Please search Muzata PT1. You can search for Muzata CV1 to find our popular and visible series terminals. Next, we will show you how to install wire rope for cable railing. You can cut the cable with Muzata Cable Cutter CR12. Then crimp it twice in different positions with hydraulic crimper CT01. As for the coated cable, you need to remove the coat and the place where it needs to be crimped. First, cut the coat with Muzata Cable Cutter CR12. Then, heat it with a hair dryer. Next, use a plier to remove the coat. After that, insert the uncoated cable into the cable railing terminal. Finally, crimp it twice in different positions with Muzata Hydraulic Crimper CT01 to fix the cable. Muzata offers personalized railing design service for free. We can save your time for researching with a custom total solution, which includes everything you need like posts, handrails, terminals, cable, and tools. If you are a beginner and not sure about how to plan your railing project, please don't hesitate to contact us. Just send a simple sketch and answer a few easy questions. Our engineers will be able to assist you to design the whole railing project and recommend the right products. After the solution is confirmed, there will be a shopping list with prices and a total budget for you. You can just follow it to place an order within 5 minutes and get all the materials in a couple of days. By following the tutorial videos step by step, you can install them easily all by yourself. In case you need extra support while installing, our experienced tech support team is always ready to assist you.
Muzata